What is up, guys? It is Ironthrottle over here. Happy day. We are out here. I am walking to a UPS place, which is actually in a meat marketplace. I don't know. We're gonna go pick up a package because I missed the UPS guy yesterday. So we gotta go see what it is. I know what it is. It's time for you guys to find out what it is. Let's go. So we made it here to the meat market, and let's see if the meat market has my package. Let's go. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to say a huge shout out to Memphis who were nice enough to send me 2 sports shields that we will be talking about today. If you guys are looking for windscreens, sports shields, fairings, handguards, make sure you guys make your way to the Memphis website where they have it all that you need. Today we'll be talking about the Memphis Del Rio Grande, and we'll be talking about the Memphis Del Rey. So some of the things that Memphis did send me out to start off is this cool bag to fit in any of the shields or fairings that I might not be using at the time. Just slip it on. If you guys are someone who has different shields or someone who rocks their bike with either a fairing, sometimes takes it off, make sure you guys invest in one of those bags. I'm telling you, it's a great investment to be able to protect your shields, your fairings, whatever it is. If I could just show you, it's got some, it's high quality bag. Make sure that you guys go take a look at that. Another thing that they sent me are the plates to be able to attach to the shields. Sorry, because all you really need is the plates. Once you already have the hardware kit that goes onto the bike, the mounting kit, all you need from now on will be the plates. These plates will fit on the mounting that it's already on the bike from the prior fairing or windshield that you have already put on. So I already have the Del Rio and I already have the mounting kit. So all I have to do is quick release it out and quick release it in. So like I said, they sent me one for the Del Rio Grande, they sent me another one for the Del Rey, and then they also sent me this pamphlet where it shows you the different types of fairings and shields that they have and for what models they fit. Sent me a lot of cool stickers, so make sure you guys make your way out to the Memphis website, check them out. Maybe you guys will find something you guys will love, or maybe you guys will find something that you guys need. I definitely love my Del Rio, and I don't ever take it off. I can't wait to see the differences of the different shields that I have now, and we'll be talking about the different specs. We'll be doing a video on a comparison on the 3 different sizes. We'll be doing a installation video along with a review. So here we have the Del Rio Grande. We have it in 3 different shades. They have it in gradient black, solar, and black smoke. This right here is the solar. The dimensions of this shield would be 21 inches in width and 19 inches height above headlight. This right here is the Del Rey, which comes in 4 different shades: gradient black, solar, black smoke, and dark black smoke. This right here is the black smoke. The dimensions of this shield is 15 inches in width and 13 inches height above headlight. This here are the mounting plates with a quick trigger lock, which makes it easier to put on and take off the mounting kit. Alright guys, that'll be it for the video today. It was just a quick video just to let you guys know what's to come in the future. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see first, which one you want me to do an installment video first and do a first impressions review. Once again, I want to say a huge shout out to Memphis. They've been supporting me on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok. They've been a huge support, so I want to give you guys the best, and I want to make sure I give you guys a shout out as many times as I can. If you have any questions about any of these shields that I can probably answer, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and make sure you guys hit that bell notification so that way you guys know when I install these shades and do my first impressions on them. Well, that's it. I am out. This is Ironthrottle. Thank you, Memphis Shades. We're done.